Good morning, everyone. This is class 7 social science. Today we are going to learn chapter 5 location and time. So location यानी कोई भी जगह और time यानी वक्त. See here, globe of the earth is here, and circle and angles. What are these vertical and horizontal lines on the globe of the earth? They are imaginary lines and are not drawn on the surface of the earth. The horizontal lines are called latitude and the vertical lines are known as longitude. What are latitudes and degrees of latitudes? Let's learn through an activity. So here see, ऐसी लाइन है ये वर्टिकल है और ऐसी हैं इसको बोलते हैं हॉरिजॉन्टल. तो ये सब जो लाइन राउंड में हैं हॉरिजॉन्टल है और ये खड़ी खड़ी लाइन है वर्टिकल है. Measure the angles of different places in the classroom with the help of a protractor, pencil, paper. Draw a circle on a paper and write down the degree angles of the circle at 10 degree, 90 degree, 30 degree and 60 degree. Latitude is an angle which ranges from 0 at the equator to 90 north or south at the poles. Lines of latitude run east-west as circles, parallel to the equator. So latitudes क्या होते हैं? Latitudes अगर ये सर्कल वाली लाइंस हैं अर्थ के ग्लोब पे तो ये लैटिट्यूड हैं. लैटिट्यूड तो ये लाइन हो जाएंगी लॉन्जिट्यूड. Draw a circle and mark a line of latitude with the help of a map. Mention the various countries through which that latitude passes. Draw latitudes at 23.5 north and south and write the names of the countries through which they pass. The equator is the middle latitude or the zero latitude which divides the अर्थ इंटू नॉर्दर्न एंड सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर. देखो इक्वेटर होता है अगर ये अर्थ है इसके बीच में जो जाती है लैटिट्यूड इसको इक्वेटर कहते हैं. ये सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर हो गया, ये नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर हो गया. द पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ दैट लाइज टू द नॉर्थ ऑफ द जीरो इक्वेटर, ये जीरो इक्वेटर है. इसका ये नॉर्थ पार्ट है, ये साउथ है, तो ये सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर होगा, ये नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर हुआ. द पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ दैट लाइज टू द नॉर्थ ऑफ जीरो इक्वेटर लैटिट्यूड इज कॉल्ड द नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर एंड द पार्ट दैट लाइज टू इट्स साउथ इज नोन एज द सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर. हाउ मेनी लैटिट्यूड्स पास थ्रू आवर विलेज और सिटी? हाउ कैन वी फाइंड आउट? So read this and apply this. Among the uncountable stars in the sky, there is one bright star usually seen in the north, called it the North Star, pole star. You can do this exercise, read it and do it. The names of a few countries are mentioned below. In what direction do they lie from zero latitude, north or south? Take an atlas and globe and locate these countries: Kenya, Mongolia, Chile, South Africa, Egypt, Russia and Canada. So previously we had video, I will put it again, of globe. You search this which lies in north hemisphere and which country lies in south hemisphere. GPS, mobile phones and Google. The exact latitude and longitude of a place can be known with the help of global positioning system in phones and satellites in space. Using the internet, you can get information about the latitude and longitude of your village or city by simply clicking on the My Location option in your phone. आपके फ़ोन में My Location में जाके आप अपने विलेज या जो जगह हैं खड़े हैं उसका लैटिट्यूड लॉन्जिट्यूड जान सकते हो, लॉन्गिट्यूड जान सकते हो. Longitudes and longitudinal coordinates of a place. The vertical imaginary lines drawn on a globe that run in the north-south direction are known as longitudes. ये वर्टिकल होती हैं, ये ग्लोब है तो ये वर्टिकल हो गई, इसको बोलते हैं लॉन्गिट्यूड. Here you can study the map. This is equator, this is Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree, this is 0 degree equator, 23.5 degree Tropic of Cancer, Capricorn, and 23 point north Tropic of Cancer. So here you can see these countries are in southern hemisphere and from here are northern hemisphere. Prime meridian, Greenwich. The zero longitude that passes through Greenwich in England is known as prime meridian. It divides the earth into two vertical halves, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. It has longitudes extended up to 180 degree on both eastern and western sides. Since it passes through Greenwich, it is generally referred to as the prime meridian as well. अब देखो यहाँ ये राउंड है, अर्थ है, इसका ये ग्रीनविच है, जीरो. क्या है ये? ग्रीनविच. पीएम है, प्राइम मेरिडियन. इस तरफ वाले 180 डिग्री होंगे और इस तरफ भी 180 डिग्रीज होंगे. तो यहाँ का ईस्टर्न कंट्री हो जाएंगे, यहाँ के वेस्टर्न कंट्री हो जाएंगे. 2 पार्ट होते हैं, अर्थ के 2 पार्ट होते हैं. पहले राउंड करो तो सदर्न और नॉर्दर्न, और जो प्राइम मेरिडियन है इससे होता है ईस्टर्न वेस्ट. दिस इज वेस्टर्न, दिस इज ईस्टर्न. आप देख सकते हैं कौन सी कंट्रीज हैं ईस्टर्न और वेस्टर्न. सी हियर ईस्टर्न कंट्रीज, वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज. इंडिया, जापान, चाइना, ईरान, इजिप्ट, केन्या, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, नॉर्वे, Germany, Italy are in eastern side. Western countries, Morocco, Senegal, USA, Mexico, Canada, Brazil, Colombia, Peru, Paraguay. International dateline, यानी इंटरनेशनल डेटलाइन आती है जो तारीख तय करती है. There is only one 180 degree longitude which is known as the international dateline. When one crosses this line, the day and date changes. The international dateline passes through the Pacific Ocean and separates 2 calendar dates. It is not exactly 180 at all places, since the line crisscrosses across several time zones. This is because if it is drawn straight, then the line has to pass through many islands, and due to this they might have 2 days and 2 dates on the same island. This might create confusion. Therefore, the line, when it passes over land, it's shifted towards water bodies, and so it is not straight but zigzag. देखो 180 डिग्री पे एक डेटलाइन है जो ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ जाती है. ये अर्थ है, इसका ये डेटलाइन जाती है, मगर ये सीधी नहीं है. कहाँ कंट्री हैं तो वो पानी में से जगह बन के जाती है जिससे डेट सही रहे हर एक देश में. The eastern hemisphere is the is to the east of the zero longitude, and western hemisphere is to its west. Keeping this in mind, using a map, find out the longitudinal coordinates of India. Also fill up the table for the other countries. ये इंटरनेशनल डेटलाइन ऐसी दी गई है. क्यों? क्योंकि zigzag इसलिए, अगर इसके रशिया में से यहाँ से निकलेंगे तो यहाँ डेट बदलनी पड़ेगी. सो किसी एक कंट्री को, आइलैंड कंट्री या कंट्री में डेट अलग अलग ना रहे, इसलिए ऐसा किया गया है. इंटरनेशनल डेटलाइन ये आप कर सकते हैं. इनका जो इंडिया का अगर लॉन्गिट्यूडिनल कोऑर्डिनेट्स ये है, बाकी सब कंट्री का आप लॉन्गिट्यूडिनल कोऑर्डिनेट्स ढूंढ के लिख सकते हो. The sun is the biggest clock of the earth. The time at any place is decided by the position of the sun in the sky and the longitude, its longitude. The earth completes one rotation in 24 hours. There are 360 longitudes in all, 180 to the east of the prime meridian and 180 to its west. In this way, 15 longitudes passes by the sun in 1 hour. One longitude takes 4 minutes to rotate. Thus, there is difference of 4 minutes between two adjacent longitudes. Therefore, the time is different in different places on the earth, varies as per their longitudes. Find out if the time in the countries given below is ahead or behind. Find this. मतलब ये नेपाल है, इसका टाइम इंडिया से आगे है या पीछे है, ऐसा ढूंढ के लिखना है. लोकल टाइम, द टाइम taken according to the overhead position of the sun in a particular place is known as the local time of that place. It differs by 4 minutes with every 1 degree longitude. When any longitude faces the sun directly, it would be 12 noon in all the places on that longitude. In this way, the local time of the place is decided according to mid-noon. The places located on the same longitude have the same time, and places located at different longitudes in the same country have different times. In a country, if the local time is different in different places, it can create problems in administration. How can one work in such a situation? What must one do to solve this problem? Let's understand. Standard time. The local time of a place which is situated in the middle of the country is taken as the standard time of the country. So, जो देश है उसका जो मिडल प्लेस होता है उससे उसका स्टैंडर्ड टाइम तय होता है. दिस मीन्स दैट टाइम इज फिक्स्ड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर लॉन्गिट्यूड इन अ कंट्री which is known as standard time. The standard time of our country is decided on the basis of 82.5 east longitude, which passes through Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. This means that if it is 12 noon in Allahabad, it is 12 noon everywhere in the country. This makes it convenient for the smooth administration of the country. Activity. You will find the standard time of different countries and main cities in a smartphone. With the help of a globe, find out the major cities of different countries and note down their standard time using the phone. तो यहाँ पे जो मेजर दुनिया की कंट्रीज हैं उनका नाम लिखना है और उसका जो है स्टैंडर्ड टाइम फ़ोन में से देखना है, फिर अहेड है या बिहाइंड है देखना है. Things to know: the longitudes to the east of Greenwich lines are denoted by the letter E, while those situated to the west are denoted by the letter W. The international dateline is also called IDL in short. If a country extends to a great extent eastwards and westwards, then it may have more than one standard times. The latitudes to the north of the equator are denoted by the letter north, while those situated to the south are denoted by the letter of S. The actual distance between two latitudes is 111 kimi, 111 kimis. So goodbye.